Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making oven roasted chicken, and the ingredients will be listed in the box below. I have my chicken here now, washed and dried, and I will be adding my dry ingredients now. And as I told you before, ingredients are in the box below. Then I will add some green seasoning. Two tablespoons. Then I will rub all my ingredients in. Try to get the seasoning on the skin. Then I will let this marinate for about 2 hours or overnight. I have my chicken here and I had the back removed, and I will put it in the oven now at 350 for about an hour. Then I will have another look. After an hour, I will pour the juice off. Okay, and then I will put this back to keep it moist. I pour back the juice over it to keep it moist. Then I will put it on top and turn the oven higher. I will now put my oven to 375. After an hour and a half, I had some sauce here, which I'm going to baste the chicken with. Vinegar, lemon, ketchup, and some honey. And this will go back in for another 15 minutes. Then it is all done. This is my finished roasted chicken. You can have it with anything you like. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.